Transforming an urban apartment balcony into a green escape is easy with the right plants. Compact, colorful, and low-maintenance choices not only bring beauty but also fresh air and calmness to small spaces. Here are the top 10 balcony-friendly plants that thrive perfectly in modern apartment living. Geranium or Pelargonium is a delightful balcony plant admired for its bright clusters of red, pink, white, or purple blooms and attractive foliage. Compact and easy to grow, it thrives in sunny spots with well-drained soil, making it perfect for containers and railing planters. Geraniums are also known for their light fragrance, adding freshness to small spaces. Regular watering and occasional deadheading encourage continuous flowering, while their resilience makes them a favorite choice for urban apartments with limited garden space. Spider plant, Chlorophytum camosum, is one of the most popular balcony and indoor plants, loved for its arching green and white striped leaves and small baby plantlets that dangle like spiders on a web. Compact yet striking, it grows well in pots or hanging baskets, needing only indirect light and moderate watering. Known for its excellent air-purifying qualities, the spider plant not only enhances balcony aesthetics but also creates a refreshing environment. Its hardy nature makes it ideal for busy urban lifestyles. Golden pothos, Epipremnum aureum, is a versatile and hardy plant that thrives beautifully on an apartment balcony. With its heart-shaped leaves streaked in shades of green and gold, it grows gracefully in pots, hanging baskets, or as a climber along railings. Low maintenance and tolerant of varying light conditions, this plant is perfect for beginners. Known for its strong air-purifying ability, it enhances both beauty and freshness in small spaces. Regular watering and occasional pruning keep it lush and attractive year-round. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata, is a lush, graceful plant that adds a touch of greenery and freshness to any apartment balcony. Its feathery, arching fronds create a soft, elegant look, making it ideal for hanging baskets or decorative pots. This fern thrives in indirect light and high humidity, preferring consistently moist soil to stay healthy. Apart from its ornamental charm, it also helps improve indoor air quality. With regular misting and care, the Boston fern brings a refreshing tropical vibe to compact balcony spaces. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia, is a charming balcony plant known for its soothing fragrance and beautiful purple flower spikes. Compact and sun-loving, it thrives best in pots with well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight, making it perfect for urban balconies. Beyond its ornamental appeal, lavender's calming scent is often used in aromatherapy and helps create a relaxing atmosphere. Drought-tolerant and low-maintenance, it requires minimal watering and occasional pruning. With its beauty and fragrance, lavender adds both elegance and serenity to apartment living spaces. Polka dot plant, Hypoestes philostachya, is a vibrant, compact plant loved for its colorful leaves speckled with pink, red, or white dots. Perfect for small balcony pots, it adds a cheerful pop of color even without flowers. Thriving in partial shade and moist, well-drained soil, this plant is easy to care for but benefits from occasional pruning to stay bushy. Its playful patterns make it a great decorative choice for urban balconies, bringing charm and freshness to limited spaces with minimal effort. Purple shamrock, Oxalis triangularis, is a striking balcony plant admired for its deep purple, triangular leaves that resemble fluttering butterflies. Adding to its charm, it produces delicate white or light pink flowers that contrast beautifully with the foliage. This compact plant thrives in bright, indirect light and well-drained soil, making it ideal for pots on small balconies. Its leaves open during the day and close at night, creating a fascinating display. Easy to care for and eye-catching, purple shamrock adds elegance and uniqueness to urban spaces. Burrows tail, Sedum morganianum, is a unique succulent prized for its long, trailing stems covered with plump, blue-green leaves that resemble a donkey's tail. Perfect for hanging baskets or balcony railings, it adds texture and charm to compact spaces. This low-maintenance plant thrives in bright sunlight and well-drained soil, requiring minimal watering due to its drought-tolerant nature. Its cascading growth creates a striking display, while occasional star-shaped pink or red blooms enhance its beauty. Burrows tail is an excellent choice for adding elegance to urban balconies. Coleus or Coleus scutellarioides is a vibrant balcony plant celebrated for its brilliantly patterned foliage in shades of green, red, pink, purple, and yellow. Compact and easy to grow, it thrives in pots and railing planters, instantly brightening small urban spaces. Coleus prefers partial shade to protect its colorful leaves from scorching sun and grows best in well-drained soil with regular watering. Occasional pinching encourages bushier growth and enhances its ornamental appeal. With its stunning leaf colors, Coleus brings a bold decorative touch to apartment balconies. Croton, Codium variegatum, is a stunning balcony plant admired for its bold, colorful foliage in shades of green, yellow, orange, and red. Its striking leaves add a tropical flair, making it a natural showpiece for small urban spaces. Thriving in bright light, Croton develops richer colors with good sun exposure, though it prefers warm and humid conditions. Regular watering keeps it healthy, but the soil should be well drained to prevent root rot. With its vibrant patterns and resilience, Croton brings dramatic beauty to apartment balconies.